Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rilwan, and in this video I'll help you understand how you can start making money from absolutely nothing. You see, making money is super easy. It's very easy to make money. There's a difference between making money and building wealth. When it comes to building wealth, you actually need a lot. You need people, you need system, you need skills, you need so many things when it comes to building and managing wealth. But for making money, you don't need anything. You only need to be determined that you want to start making money. Get out and start making money. It's as easy as that. And in this video, I will try to simplify the process because this can be done in different stages. So I will simplify the process. Whatever stage you are on your journey in life, you will definitely find yourself in this video. You will find a part of this video that will resonate with your present stage in life, so you can pick yourself and continue from there. My name is Rilwan. I'm a business consultant and I help business executives improve on business performance and also enhance their earning potential. Yes, so now let's talk about making money. You see, the first stage when it comes to making money is survival. Okay, you just need to make money for yourself, so that you stop asking people for urgent 2k or for being dependent on people for everything you need, right? And in situations like this, right, if you don't have any money and you don't have nothing, right, you don't have anything, what you can do is to go out and add value to somebody. Help your neighbor wash his car and get paid for it. Help him clean his shoe and get paid for it. Run an errand and get paid. Okay, you don't need anything to do all these things. You don't need anything. But the issue is that people usually feel this self-ego that, oh, a whole me, okay, a whole me without money is nothing. A whole me that cannot pay the bills is nothing. So put that aside. You see, that ego is preventing people from achieving so many things. Ego, yeah, that's the problem a lot of people have. Not that they can't make money or they can't do anything, but that ego is preventing them from taking actions that will help them start making money. So you just need to drop down, trash your ego completely, and go out and help someone. That's the first stage. If you have absolutely nothing, go out and help someone. You can help anybody. Okay, help someone do something. No matter how little, the person will put his hand in his pocket and give you something. You made money, right? What's this video all about? It's about making money. That's the topic here. It's about making money legitimately. Whatever it is you do, and the person puts his hand in his pocket, bring out some cash and give it to you, then you've made money. That's exactly what's up. You've made money. Okay, so go out and help someone do anything. Look around you. There are people around you. They are spending money on these things. They are getting people to help them do it. You see, for instance, let's say you want to help some of your neighbors wash their car, right? Probably at the car wash, let's say it's 2,000, 3,000 naira at the car wash. You are not a car wash. If you are giving 1,000 naira, it's still good for you. You just need to look for 3-4 people like that you can help them wash their car. Some will tell you to wash it every day. Some will tell you 3 times in a week. Some will say, okay, you wash it today, tomorrow you don't need to wash it, you just clean it. Just have different packages. You see, that's it. You're building business already. Have different packages. Now, okay, how many times in a week do you want me to help you wash your car? Some will say every day, like I just mentioned, and some will say, okay, wash it 3 times in a week. Then the remaining 4 times, just clean it. That will help them save cost. So probably they are paying you 1,000 naira to wash the car. They can be paying you 500 naira just to clean it. You see, so if you have 4 or 5 people like that you're doing that too, you are in business already. You've started your own business. That is making money, right? So to now grow from there and start building wealth, then that one is a different topic entirely. But you are able to make money. You see, most of the people you look up to, what they actually do is that they know how to make money. Many people are not even building businesses. Many people don't build business. They just make money right from their business. That's why they are business owners. They have a business that is highly profitable, highly sustainable, and the income is adequate enough for them to live the life of their dreams. So they remain on that path and live a happy life. That is what a lot of people are doing. So in as much as you are able to make money, then you are on that league. Okay, the income might vary, but you are on that league. You can also look for more people to do that too. So that's the first stage. So now once you start making money, probably now you feel that okay, the stress of waking up every morning to go help people wash their car, that probably okay is becoming stressful, because now you have money, so you're beginning to have choice. You see, someone who has no money has no choice, but a man who has money can like feel like, oh, this is becoming too stressful for his own personality. Now it's beginning to have personality, so he wanted something else. He can make money, he can save that money, and can use that money to invest in other small scale business. So yeah, if you feel that the stress from the job that helped you got started is becoming stressful and you wanted something else, good, then save your earning from that business, right, from that your startup, and go into trade. Yes, that's another way you can easily make money. Go into trade, buy anything and sell, anything at all and sell. Okay, look around you. Even if you don't know what to sell, people eat. Buy what people can eat, and if you can make things that people can eat, start making it, right? Okay, now I'm trying to help you reduce your stress, because making anything that has to do with production, manufacturing, which is usually a little bit stressful, but trade is not stressful. Buy and sell. Okay, the manufacturer has made it, branded it, packaged it, push it to the market. You go to the market, you just buy and take it, get someone to help you take it from the market to your location where you want to start selling. That is all. You just put it there and sit down. Sit down as I'm seated. Have your goods beside you. They'll be giving you money, and you'll be taking and you'll be giving to them. You're not doing anything stressful. That's another easy way to make money. Sell anything. Okay, sell anything on any scale. It could be on a small scale, medium scale, large scale, depending on how much you have reserved. Okay, depending on how much you have been able to save for yourself. So that's the next stage. Yeah, sell anything. Sell anything. So now you are now talking about going beyond the stage of making money, because the first thing is to make money, right? Now you've gotten to the stage that you know how to make money, and you want, probably now you want to start building wealth. Yes, you want to start building wealth. When it comes to building wealth, you have multiple options as well. One of your options is to amplify whatever it is you're doing. Okay, amplify whatever it is you're doing that is giving you money. If you feel you have the strength to do more of it, then double up, do more. Okay, do more of it. I do it myself. I work day, I work night. In as much as I love what I am doing, I love working every time, because that is just what I love doing. That's where I want to be. Okay, that is where I want to be. So yeah, I double up, I increase my productivity just to help me earn more. You can also do the same thing. And if you feel that you are at the peak, you're doing the highest, that you're based on your capacity, right, then you need to start hiring people. Start hiring people that can help you handle some aspects of your business. Then you pay them. Yeah, you pay them for their service. So whatever income you're making, or they are making based on their contribution, you share it with them. You take some part of it, you give them some part of it, you bring in someone else to help you, like enhance your productivity, your performance. So that means your income will increase. So from more money you're making, you'll be able to pay that person too. So you just keep bringing in more people. But to do this effectively, you will need some skills, which some of them is team building and management, communication. You need so many skills. Okay, you need so many skills, but I'm just trying to limit this video to like the topic, which is how you can start making money, right? How you can start making money. So provide any service to anybody, run an errand for them. What you need is the money. It depends on what you're doing with the money. You see, everybody has the opportunity to become rich, to become wealthy, and everybody at some point in their life have gotten to a stage where they could possibly become so wealthy. The opportunities were there. They had the opportunity. The money came in, but it was just about what they did with the money. So what are you doing with your earnings? No matter how little you're making, what are you doing with it? It's not about how much money you make. It's not about how much money you earn. It's about what you're doing with what you are earning. That is exactly what matters most, right? See, at the early stage of every business, what business owners, before they become an entrepreneur, what we normally do is we try to save as much as possible so that we can sustain our business, sustain ourselves as well. That is the first stage. Luxury is not the first stage. big phone, big car, those are not the first thing, okay? And those are the things that are keeping people poor. Those are the things that are keeping people poor. You need to like put your money in your business, expand your business, grow your business first. You will grow your business to that extent that it will become easy for you to buy any luxury item you wanted for yourself, because you're just picking the money from your business. Your business has grown to the extent that it can afford to pay for whatever it is you want, because you've expanded, you have branches of your business, the money is coming in, right? You have maximum reserve, a capital reserve for your business in case of emergencies and expansion. You have all of this in place, so it becomes easy for you to buy anything you want, right? Then you can buy luxury without worrying about the price. You don't even care how much you get. You don't care about the price, you don't care how much it is, because you wanted it. Then you buying it because you want it. You're not buying it because you want to like oppress or impress anybody. You want it for yourself and you don't care about the price. Why? Because then you can conveniently afford it. So that should be your target: building yourself, growing your business to the extent where you can conveniently afford whatever you need without even caring about the price. Okay, it's not a good thing when you're buying things and probably a week later it affects you, it affects your business, and you're feeling that you shouldn't have bought this thing, is not worth it. Okay, you just need to put that money in your business first, grow and expand your business. Once that is done, I tell you, it becomes very, very easy for you to buy luxury. So what stage are you in life? You want to move from being a business owner into becoming an entrepreneur. That's exactly what I do. I help people become a better version of themselves in business and in personal life as well. You see, those two works hand in hand. If you want to have an interesting journey as a business person, then you need to improve some areas of your personal life as well. And if you want to live a happy and healthy life, then you need to have a business that gives you that flexibility and freedom to like spend time on things, people, activities that matters to you, right? That matters to you. So that's exactly what I do. I help people become a better version of themselves. So probably you're in business, you want to transform your business, you want to expand your business, you want to like improve. Yeah, you just want to get better. Feel free, okay? Feel free to reach out with me. I will leave my contacts within the description box below. Just go there, get my contact. So let's talk, and together we'll be able to build a business that you'll be very, very proud of. All right, thanks so much for joining me on this video. I look forward to having you in other videos.